Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò kíkọ́ èdè Yorùbá. A ti fi fídíò kan ránṣẹ́ sórí tí a fi ṣe ránṣẹ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. A ti sọ nípa ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kíkọ èdè Yorùbá, sọ̀rọ̀ nípa álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n a ní láti lọ jinlẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí bí a ṣe fi ń mú ọ̀rọ̀ àbí alphabet bíi mẹ́ta méjì papọ̀ tó fi ń di ọ̀rọ̀. So you are welcome on this edition of how to read and write in Yoruba. There's a previous video that was released just going to the alphabet, not going into details. But this particular edition, we are going into details, looking at 2-3 words that we can join together. And particularly we'll be touching on the sounds, how to pronounce the words in Yoruba. We'll first briefly go to the alphabet in Yoruba. From the alphabet, we'll look at the words where the alphabet is used and how to pronounce the word, the sounds that determine how those words are pronounced. Okay. A padà sí alphabet Yoruba. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Now, we want to use some words and look at the part of the particular alphabet in the words we'll be using. A fẹ́ wo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ is word. A fẹ́ wo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kí a wo bí ipa tí àwọn alphabet yẹn kó nínú bí a ṣe so ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn papọ̀. The position and the part of each alphabet in the example word that we have under it. And essentially this word that we'll be using, they're essentially the names of food in Yoruba. Fún àpẹẹrẹ, ata. Ata is pepper. Ata, ata. Ata. Ẹ̀bà. The real alphabet in this word is the B. Ẹ̀bà. Edé. Edé is prawn or shrimps. Some people call it crayfish. Ewé is leaf. Ẹ̀wà. The real alphabet here is the ẹ. Just like in A, that sounds more like A, is a way. This is the E. The sound is A in this case. The dotted E is Wa. Wa is beans. Ẹ̀fọ́. There should be a dot here. That's why it's getting the O sound. But the alphabet we are focusing on in this case is for. And G. Ege is cassava. Then we have B. That's GB pronounced together. Is Igba, do mi, ìgbá. When I say domi, I'm essentially talking about the sound. We are going to get there. That sound has to do with all these red signs that you are seeing on top, but we get there shortly. But igba, so the real sound that is related to this alphabet is the GB. Igba. We have the he. I want to give you the assignment for this case to go and look for a Yoruba word or a Yoruba food that has the sound. He, that would be, I want to comment from people, but I will move to issue, the sound here is issue. The sound he and e, they almost sound alike. In fact, when you see a Yoruba person talking, sometimes it's hard to differentiate the difference between the two. G, eja, eja. The alphabet, the alphabet in this word is the G. Eja, eja is fish. Ki, eko, eko is more like pap. It's a food made from corn. Amala, li, amala. Amala is a special delicacy for people from Yoruba land, especially people from the Oyo and the Osun part of the country. But almost everybody in Nigeria eats amala. Me, moi, me, moi. Ni. This is another assignment. Ishe amurele. Assignment is Ishe amurele. Look for a Yoruba word for a food, Yoruba food, that has ni in it. Ni is the end sound in Yoruba. O, ogi. O, ogi. The real sound here is the O, and it's so simple, just like the word, the alphabet itself. Ogi is pap. Ogi, the eko that I mentioned the other time, some people can refer to ogi as eko, but eko in the under context is ogi that has formed, that has solidified, but ogi is usually more like semi-liquid, while eko is mostly, eaten as solid. Obe, obe, obe is soup. It could be stew. Generally in Yoruba, obe, it could be soup, it could be stew, it could be obe for, ewedu. That's the name for any form of soup. P, the P in Yoruba is not pronounced as P. It's pronounced as P. Epo. That's the P word there. Po. P. Epo. Epo is palm oil, the red oil. Ri, the har in Yoruba. Ri. The example word here is iru. Iru is locust base. The active alphabet here is the ri, iru. C, the first S without a dot, is so. Is fruit. So any form of fruit in Yoruba land is referred to as eso ogede, eso awesome, eso ogede is banana, orange. All those fruits are referred to as eso. The active alphabet here is the C, eso. This is she, this is the S with a dot. She, like the pronunciation of shirt, 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 she, issue, issue, the she, the S here is the she, issue is yam, yam. Tea, tomato. There are some borrowed words, borrowed English words in Yoruba that we see use Yoruba, way of calling it tomato. In some parts of Yoruba land, they refer to this as tomati. But the active word relating to this alphabet, in this case, is the T. To. Ma. To. The T. U. We have bure. Bure. U sound is the bure part of it. U sound. Bure is water leaf. Water leaf is a popular vegetable in Yoruba land and in Nigeria and West Africa. And we have W in English. Wa, ra. The active vowel in this word is wa, ra. Wara is milk in Yoruba land. This is the special one, Yi, which is the last alphabet in Yoruba language. Yi is a special one, is Inyo. Our example here, Inyo, Inyo is pounded yam. For people living, people from Ekiti State, this is is a special delicacy in Ekiti State. Now, in reading any Yoruba word, even as at the time that you don't know the meaning, as long as there are these signs on your word, you will be able to read fluently. All the Yoruba words have three sounds. We have, we have the sound, the sign facing the left. You have this as do. Do. The flat sound is the re. Re. Mi is the one looking at your right. So we have do, re, mi. Most of the time when we write this down, we write our words, we don't put re sound. So anytime you see a word like this, ata, you will know that the pronunciation will be re, because there is no sign at all on it. So we don't necessarily have to write re on it when we are doing sign. But when you see the one facing the left, it is do. And the one looking at the right is mi. So all this sign signifying sound is what we call ami. Ami. In Yoruba language. Ami. Ami means do. Ami means sign. Is sound. Ami means sign and is sound. Starting from ami itself, let us see how the sound goes. You see ami, do, re, do. So re, do. We are going to continue in the next edition on each in detail on different words, but let's relate it to all these words that we have in brief. Ata, re, you see there is no sign on top. Eba, you look at the two signs, it might be small text. Looking at the left, do. De, re, no sign, mi. We, re, mi. Wa, do. Efo, do. Me, looking at the right. Ẹ̀gẹ́, do. Me, looking at the left and the right. These signs are usually on the vowels. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, àmì yìí máa ń wà lórí fáwẹ́lì èdè Yorùbá tí ẹ bá fẹ́ ka Yorùbá. Gbí, ìgbá, dò, mí. Iṣu, re, there's no sound on it. Ẹja, re. Ẹ̀kọ, ẹ̀kọ, do, re, do. Don't forget, we always look to the left. Re, no sound. Àmàlà, do. All the sound looking at the left, do. Moi, mi, ògì, do. Ọbẹ̀, re, do. Epo, re. Irú, re, mi. Because it's re, we are not putting any sound. This is just a dot on top. So this is going to be do, re. A sign looking to the left on the E. Don't forget, your sign will always be on the vowel. Please ignore, in all this world, ignore the main alphabet. Iṣu, re. That's why there's no sound on it. Tomato, do, mi, do. Don't forget, do sound, always look at the left, while me look at the right. Do, mi, do. Bure, mi, re, bure. This is a complicated one. You see, we put, I put asterisk there. Bure, mi, re, bure. Wàrà, do. Wàrà, do. Iyán, re, mi. There's no, on the I, there's no sound. So, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, láti kọ àwọn fídíò tí a ti ṣe sẹ́yìn, a ti gbọ́ tí àwọn èèyàn sọ yí pé, Gẹ̀ẹ́sì tẹ́ ti sọ nínú fídíò yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀kọ́ yìí wà fáwọn tí kò ní òye Yorùbá. A ní láti kọ́kọ́ sọ èdè tí wọ́n gbọ́ kó tó di pé a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Yorùbá. So nǹkan tó ṣe dàbẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì wà ńbẹ̀ nìyẹn. So we have received feedback that we've been speaking so much English, whereas this is Yoruba class. However, we need to first communicate to be able to pass knowledge across. But we believe that you have been able to learn the alphabets in Yoruba and also the sounds in Yoruba. There are 3 basic sounds in Yoruba, which is do, re, mi. Don't forget that your do, we always look at the left, while re is flat, but we don't normally put the sign. Anytime you see a vowel without the sign, you know it's re. And mi is always looking at the right. Yoruba is a lovely song. And if you can master this, you'll be able to be a good talking drummer, because this is the basis of talking drum learning. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ fún èyí tí ẹ ti bára pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ètò tí ó ní nípa kíkọ àti kíka èdè Yorùbá. Lórí eléyìí ni ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀, a máa tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ rí pé kó tó di pé ó pẹ́ púpọ̀, èèyàn tí kò mọ Yorùbá kà rárá á lè ka Yorùbá. Ohun tí a máa ṣe nínú àwọn fídíò wa tí ó tún máa tẹ̀lé ni láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bí vocabulary, you need to have in a bank of your language, the words, then you'll be able to make sense out of all this. So we'll be talking about objects and things, places and all that. Thank you so much for being part of this. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ó ń bọ̀, ẹ kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́, and kí a tó mọ̀ bó ṣe máa lọ tó pẹ́ jù, ẹ rí i pé ẹ̀yin gan ti lè kọ́ àti ka èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dìgbà kan náà kí ojú tún ríra. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ o.